Hello, and welcome to our week 4. I finished grading for the week 3 submissions, the homework, the discussions, as well as your project, part B. So what I wanted to reiterate to you in reference to the homework, okay, some of the homework scores can be improved, okay. That's going to make a difference in your grade. So if you can go back in and redo or complete homework, I will update your scores when I grade the week 4. If I don't catch it in week 4, I will catch it when I do the final grades. But the homework really makes a difference. It really helps, okay? It really helps because you have an opportunity to get a 100 on all of your homework grades. So in case you have forgotten or are not aware of how to redo the homework, let's look. And it's also important that you are participating in the discussion boards. Please don't just post one, your respond to the discussion task, and that's it, because you lose your points. So don't just get aim for a 65, aim for a 100. Okay, so participate, interact with other people, and don't, try their problems, show your work, and they will give you, feedback, or look at it and see your work and able to see where you made a mistake, but show your work so people can give you feedback. All right, so let's look. I haven't did, all right, let's look here. I'm just doing an example. Looking at the homework set from unit 3, week 3. It says the measurement angle is given. Classify the angle as acute, right, obtuse, or right. Well, in this case here, I think they may only give you one guess, okay, or one chance to get the correct answer. So you have to pick from here. And let's suppose that we didn't know what an acute angle or right angle or obtuse or straight, okay? But the help view an example will always give you the definitions again. So I'm basically just trying to show you how to redo, okay? So let's say that this is a straight. Let's pick straight, and then let's check the answer. And so they're going to tell us some definitions and blah, we press again. So they're giving us another chance. So they will give you several chances. I want to just get it completely wrong. So let's pick acute. And acute, we know it is less than 90 degrees, right? So that's wrong. They'll probably give us one more choice, one more chance, okay? And so let's pick right. Right angle is a 90-degree angle. And so that is a final check. And so we completely miss this problem. However, okay, let's suppose I save my work and let's say I want to come back in the next day. When you come back in, hold on, let me go back. I guess I have to be here as a student. When you come back in, you're able to click on the problem that you missed, and you'll see a similar question. If you click on similar question, okay, it's going to give you another problem to work at. And so now we know that it's not acute. We know that it's not right. We know that it's not a straight angle, okay, and obtuse is more than 90 but less than 180. So let's check it. And we got it right. So they're going to give us credit for it. So therefore, any problem that you've missed, okay, or maybe you didn't complete it, go back into your homework. If you have scored, I would say, if it's not 80 or above, okay, I would like to see 90 and above on all the homework. That's what I would like to see, okay, because that's an A. And that gives you more points. All right, so go back in and redo your homework. So that's what that's talking about the homework. Now the discussions, get involved. You need to have, remember, you have your initial post where you addressed the tasks that I've had before you, okay, in your own words, bringing in examples, citing your references that you use, and then you'll have plus at least 2 replies to others, okay, and then you can follow up under your initial thread, okay, especially if you have a challenge problem, okay. If you have a challenge problem and you have someone tries your challenge problem, you want to go back in and see if the person got the correct answer, okay, and give them feedback on their work. Now, let's suppose that you gave a challenge problem and no one has replied, and it's Sunday. So go back in under your thread, and you can do show your work out solution. Okay, this is how you get a good grade. You want to make sure when you are replying to others, especially in math, if there's a challenge question, okay, show your work. Okay, what did I do? Okay, show your work. Okay. All right, so show your work. So that's dealing with the discussion, okay? There should not be any zeros in the discussion board. They really, really drop your grade. They drop an A to a B. They'll drop a D to an F, missing discussion. So if you're missing discussion, you're losing out on points. Get involved, okay? We're in week 4. Week 4, we're still dealing with some trig, fun stuff, okay? But you notice that you're dealing with the non-right triangles, so you have other different formulas that you are applying to solve your triangles. And then you get into the conics, okay? So what's involved in the conics? What is a conic? How is it formed? Where are they applied? And then continue to work on your project, okay? Some of you needed more time with part B. Make sure you are telling your story. Tell your story. Your story will be your story, okay? The stuff that you research. 2 people can be doing the same project but have a different story, okay? And pull in different information, which makes it their project. When you pull in your data from your resources, okay, put it in table format, okay? So you'll create a table with your 2 variables. Whatever your X represents and whatever your Y, okay? You identify what they are and have your 10 pieces of data. And then when you have your data, you want to graph, okay? Have your scattered plot, okay? And then you will describe, okay, what relationship you see in your graph, okay? So you'll have the scatteredness might be all over the place, okay? But maybe you see an exponential growth, okay? Or maybe you see an exponential decay in your relationship. I mean, it's easy to see a straight line. We can get a straight line from any 2 points. However, we're in the pre-cal, so we're looking for nonlinear, okay? Look for nonlinear relationships. So exponential, quadratic, okay? Exponential and log go hand in hand. All right, so have fun with week 4. If you have any questions, please let me know. I do have a video, okay, that sums up the weeks 1 through 3, plus I go over some tips for your project. All right, so it's lengthy, so you can fast forward when you need to, okay? And I'll also give another video on how to find the equation of an exponential function. All right, so have fun. And if you have any questions, please let me know.